When it come down to sending letters to the credit bureaus, I send all of my letters typed. I tried the handwriting thing before, but it seems as if their system has caught on to that. So it's not like you get any type of special, deletions from writing your letters anymore. I send it typed. And if you can, make sure you send your letters certified. It's no more about just trying to have e-Oscar. That's the system, the scanning system, delete the account from your credit report. Now it's to the point where you're trying to catch them up in a lie, you guys, and trying to find FCRA violations against the credit bureaus and also the company, and potentially put in a lawsuit to sue them. That's like the game that we have to play with them right now, because their system is getting better, and now it's not just about handwriting a letter. So a typed letter will be fine, but just make sure that you find actual violations on your credit reports, which will show why that account should be removed from your credit reports. Now, if you guys need like a dispute letter, look at my 60 points in 60 days. I have the link in the comments. Go ahead and click there. Whenever you guys sign up for that, it's a free webinar. Whenever you guys sign up for that, I actually give you guys a dispute letter you can send to the credit bureaus, one for inquiries, if you guys have inquiries on your credit reports that you need to remove. And then I also give you a letter for the collection company. So definitely check that out and try to see if those letters can actually work for you. But handwriting it, to me, is no different. You can go ahead and like type it. And send it in, just try to send it in certified and find actual errors. Like, is the account number the same on all three credit bureaus? Is the account name the same on all three credit bureaus? The date open the same on all three credit bureaus? Because each credit bureau should be reporting the same thing. But if you guys look, you're going to see that each credit bureau is not reporting the same thing. And that's how you say, hey, you guys need to delete this because this is not 100% accurate. So go ahead and type your letter out. Just find factual errors and you'll be good.